This video demonstrates how to find every instance of Mail connectors within a directory. It focuses on identifying and updating Mail IMAP connectors during a system transition.
In this video, we will go over how to find every instance of a connection. For this particular scenario, we will be filtering out to find all of the Mail connectors. This will be a situation where your team is switching from Mail to the Mail IMAP connectors, so you want to locate all of those locations. This will show you exactly where in the directory each Mail connector is used. For this, I like to create a duplicate of the window, and then we will come and locate the one at the bottom. So you would go down in your directory and hit test, associate director, and then tracking new customer, and come down to processes, and there's only one here, so you would click on it, and now you would see the Mail connector. From here, you would come up and hover over it, select filter, change from Mail connector. In this case, it will be the Mail IMAP connector, but any connector you'll be switching to. And then you would add the new connection and operation and action, save, and then deploy to the desired runtime. Thank you.
The video shows how to locate Mail connectors, filter for Mail IMAP connectors, update connections, and deploy changes to the desired runtime environment.